have in my hands a 1957 first edition of The Cat in the Hat, and this is probably the book that was the first for many of you learning how to read because it is very easy for a beginning reader. But you know who it was very hard for? Dr. Seuss himself. He had two main challenges when writing this book. The first was to write a book with limited vocabulary. This was part of the Beginner Books series, and he could only use 225 words. And you think, for a picture book, I can do that. But you're trying to write a primer, a book that teaches kids how to read with only 225 words that they will actively enjoy. It's actually quite difficult to write short and entertaining. Sue spent months trying to work this out just perfectly so that it was both fun and educational, because that was the second challenge. How do you make education fun? In the 1950s, American readers were learning how to read by Dick and Jane books, and the Dick and Jane books were classic, but not all that engaging. Dr. Seuss wanted to write something that was so ridiculous that he had first graders laughing along with the shenanigans of his main character, the Cat in the Hat. He succeeded. He did it in 220 words, and then with Green Eggs and Ham, he went on and beat that challenge even further and wrote Green Eggs and Ham using only 50 words.